how did you find out about your cancer, and where were you in terms of emotions when you found out about your cancer?
I had a swollen lymph node, like right here in my neck. They did a biopsy. My cell phone rang, it was my doctor, and he said, we found cancer. He thought at first it was the base of tongue, but it ended up being in my left tonsil. They took my tonsils out. It ended up being squamous cell carcinoma in my left tonsil. It ended up being positive for the P16 protein, which is HPV, human papillomavirus, which 70-something% of us have in our body. A very small percent, it turns into cancer, and I was one of those unlucky ones. I had 2 Facebook friends that had battled breast cancer, and one that reached out separately, didn't know each other, and mentioned NeoGenesis.
As you went through treatment, how did your skin perform? How did your mouth perform? What did your doctor say about his observations of your progress as compared to his typical patients, his bell curve of patients that he'd been seeing in prior years?
I started, using your products, and treatment started. My nutritionist, Melissa, she was amazed. The nurses were amazed because my skin never got as bad as it should have. Obviously, it was red and the skin would peel, but it never got to the point where it would, it would blister and it would scab. You guys gave me the Recovery Spray for the inside of my mouth, the Oralease for the inside of my mouth. They were amazed that I didn't have any sores inside my mouth. I was able to, swallow the whole time. Chewing was an issue for a short time because of the pain in the tongue, but I was always able to swallow. One thing that happens with treatment is your saliva thickens up where it's rendered useless. It's not there. And they see moisture in my mouth already. That was 2 weeks post-treatment, and that's unheard of. I've already started eating things that I shouldn't be eating so fast, like bready products and stuff like that would normally stick to my mouth. But I know it's because of the recovery and the Oralease. My doctor said that it would take a month to 4 months to get my saliva back the way it should be, and my taste, because taste buds were killed too, back where it should be. And I'm definitely seeing a big difference in the saliva, like I said, and my taste is slowly coming back. Things that tasted really bad aren't tasting so bad anymore. And I know it's, 3 weeks past treatment, it's all because of NeoGenesis. Absolutely. I'm excited to just get back to living life, and I owe a lot of that to you guys.